Hey guys, sorry if you hear other people's voices in the background, that's just the joys of sharing a house, but I'm making a video, guys, of it's arrived unboxing the mini mystery box that I ordered from Sweetzy. So let's open this mystery box. I think it was £16, so if I can get into it. Aha! Slowly getting there. Oh nice, we've got quite a bit in here for £16, guys. So first I'll show you, I got the box a bit back, but that's understandable. I've got Sour Patch Kids Extreme. That sounds good, because I really love my sour sweets. Oh! That sounds really weird. I've never heard of that before. Mentos drink. Okay, that's interesting. I'll need to do a separate video of me trying that. And then I've got I think it's a 500 gram. No, 250 gram bag of random jelly mix. And then finally I've got a fourth item. A kilogram of fizzy and non-fizzy jelly mix as well. So that's what I got for £16 in the mystery bundle. Not bad, guys. Not bad if I say so myself. I'd say that's worth 16 quid there.